Hey everybody, James here with Blue Eye Tech. Now I wanted to say a big thank you to my 52 subscribers I have right now. Now the reason why I'm saying thank you is because I have had a small goal of 50 subscribers for a while now. And to know that I officially have hit that and actually gone just a little bit past that goal, it's just mind-blowing to me. I know that 50 subscribers might not seem like a lot to you because there are YouTubers out there who do have a lot of subscribers to them. But to me, that is a big number. Know that there are 50 people out there, 52 actually, out there who actually take the time to subscribe to my channel and hopefully still watch my content. And I hope I still make good content that you guys actually enjoy watching. Is, like I said before, it's just mind-blowing to me. And it's amazing. I feel grateful for the subscribers I do have. And I hope to continue going on from there. I'm having my next goal is to hit 100 subscribers. And then just kind of keep on going from there. And then, as I said in my goals video I have for 2019 here on YouTube, I'm hoping to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2019. So to know that I'm heading in the right direction in that regards is just really awesome. And yeah, so pretty much this quick video here is just to basically say thank you to the 52 subscribers I currently have right now. If there's any kind of content you guys would love to see me make, let me know in the comment section below. If there's any kind of tech you guys would love me to review, let me know. I'll be more than happy to review it and give my opinions on it. Anyway, this is James at Blue Eye Tech. Hope you guys have a great Tuesday, and I'll catch you guys next time.